Wondering how to make lemon chicken that leaves your taste buds tingling? I've got just the right dose of tangy zest for you. Um, Picture the juiciest chicken ever marinated to perfection in a citrusy bath. Hungry yet? Stay tuned. Start with boneless chicken thighs. About 5 pounds will do for a family of 4. Thighs keep the dish juicy, avoiding the common pitfall of a dried out dish. Uh, Nothing screams disappointment quite like a dried out chicken, right? And next, let's mix our marinade, the secret sauce of our lemon chicken. Combine half a cup of fresh lemon juice with 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Add 3 minced garlic cloves. Garlic's immune boosting power is a free perk. Here, add a teaspoon each of salt and black pepper.
Perfect partner is enhancing the citrus punch.
A tablespoon of honey is a twist. It adds sweetness, balancing the sharp lemon. Your marinade is like the yin and yang, balancing flavors beautifully. Pro tip, zest the lemons before juicing. So the zest holds essential oils that will take your dish from good to great. Stir this zesty magic into your marinade and watch the transformation begin. Place your chicken thighs in a resealable bag, pour the marinade over, and let it chill for at least an hour, or if you got the time, overnight. Marinating is the slow magic sauce that brings bold flavor. Now preheat your oven to 400 degrees, 200 degrees. Now when ready, arrange the marinated chicken in a baking dish, but don't overcrowd. Each piece needs space to shine. Not giving them room is a common mistake, leading to uneven cooking. You'll want to bake for about 25 to 30 minutes. A trusty meat thermometer is your wingman here, aiming for a perfect 165 degrees Fahrenheit internal temperature. This ensures it's cooked through without guessing game. Meanwhile, let's offset that waiting time. Prepare a side of sauteed green beans or a fresh salad. These add color and nutrition, turning your lemon chicken into a wholesome Instagram-worthy meal. And here's a little insider nugget. Baste the chicken halfway through, baking with the remaining marinade. And this not only adds shine, but locks in that deep lemon flavor, a simple step often overlooked. Feeling adventurous? Spice it up with red pepper flakes in your marinade. And the slight heat comes as a pleasant surprise. So it kind of, think of it as like the cheeky friend at the party sparking new conversations. And voila, you've just mastered the best lemon chicken, leaving your kitchen filled with mouth-watering aromas. Pair it with rice, pasta, or even mashed potatoes. The versatility and explosion of flavor will surely impress anyone who dives in.